Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you a good day chocolate biscuit cake, and this is very quick, very instant and delicious, as this needs very few ingredients and it tastes absolutely delicious and also takes very less time. So let's check out how to make this cake, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this cake. First I'm going to take a bowl of biscuits. Here I've used the hide and seek biscuit. Break these biscuits. Add 1 spoon of sugar. Add a cup of milk and blend this into a smooth paste. So this has been blended into a smooth paste, and now I shall take this in another bowl. Place a cooker and add a glass of water. Add baking powder and give it a mix. Just before, when are you going to place this in a mold, make sure you add baking powder, not before that. So once this is mixed properly, I have kept the last one empty and the rest 3 plates I have filled it, and now I shall keep this for steaming. On a medium flame we need to cook this for minimum 15 minutes. So this looks done, and we shall demold it once it is cooled down. So let's demold it. I have demolded this, and these are super soft. You can see this, and now we shall serve this. So here the chocolate cake idlis are ready, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.